Guys, there's a huge bunch over here in the neighbor yard, and the worst thing is, I'm scared if they get my babies. My precious babies.
What about us?
My babies. Shut up.
Right.
Oh, that thing's huge. Guys, this is scary as balls. Dude, this is... Dude, stop. Stupid idiot. Dude, if they get you, I'm gonna be screwed. Dude, they're gonna get you, no joke. I think so. Dude, come, cause they will get you. Dude. Becca, go get my stick.
Where is it?
It's that broomstick. Dude!
The what?
That broomstick.
Oh, the broom.
Oh, guys, this is the scariest thing I've experienced.
Where's it at?
Oh.
Ow.
Oh my gosh, look how fluffy and close they are. Oh, dumb idiot. Hey, Deco, go grab my stick, man. So fluff and scary. Jude, come back inside now. This is the scariest thing I've experienced in my life. Jude, you know how long your leg is? That's how long the ring is. Oh gosh. Oh, this is scary. Buddies, safety.
Better watch out with them birds. Why are they flying so low?
I don't know. I told you to go back inside. They can get you, huh? Oh. Oh, I can't even see him. Scratch! Jude, come back! No, Jude, just come back.
What's that smoke? Coco!
Shut up! Guys. Spots!
Ashley, come over here. Look how many is on that tree.
Spots is making me nervous.
An eagle.
Vultures, I think.
You know, but look at that.
Guys, look how much is on that tree.
What is that?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa.
I saw a squirrel over there. I'll try to chase it. It's scary.
Hey, look at squirrel.
Oh my gosh. Where?
Over there.
Where?
Oh, I just ran away.
That's not cool. Oh dang.
Whoa.
Oh dang.
What does it have? It has something.
Oh dang.
It had a squirrel in it. They're eating.
Oh guys. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and subscribe. Comment, share. Bye.